let's discuss about what kind of art works we cover up in our pre-junior batch. So here we have few. I will love to show them. You can see this is a ship, and this kind of artwork we try to cover up so that it can help them out somewhere, covering up diagrams like modes of transport and a different kind of trees, different kind of flowers, 5 wild animals, 5 domestic animals. This kind of diagrams students have. So here this complete artwork with background, smoke and everything we try to teach with step-by-step guiding. Now here, to connect them with nature and observe the nature more carefully, we cover up this kind of leaf art also, where they collect some dry leaves, paste and create a beautiful artwork. This kind of variation in artwork help building up their interest, and they started looking around with creative mind and creative perspective. This is impression art. Yes, students love to do watercolor work, and impression art is one of them. This not only help building that understanding with watercolors, but they learn that with fingers also a masterpiece could be created. Impression art with tissue paper, impression art with fruits and vegetables we cover up in many classes. We try to cover up this kind of artworks also, again are helpers. This kind of diagrams and poster making, chart making students have. So after learning in our classes, students are thinking about, they are capable of making their diagrams and charts as well. And yes, we try to cover up artwork with complete background and elements around. They learn right from pre-junior batch what is complete artwork. And here we cover up festivals, all festivals, important days, so that students can understand about our culture. And stories are giving them complete information why we celebrate this particular event, particular festival, what are the specific things about it, what ways to celebrate it, which not only give them knowledge about our culture, but somewhere that cultural growth is also happening in them. And yes, this kind of few different creatures also we cover up, different figures also we cover up, and there are many more. You can visit our Artgeo shop and you can see the kind of artworks we are picking up. And this is Lord Shiva, we covered it up in on Shivratri, and there are many. We try to cover up all the festivals, all important days and all important celebrations, so that students can learn through drawing about all these important days.